Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Apps Development Training with Low Code No Code Solution. By far in the last episode we talked about how to use SAP Build Cloud Functions to create an entity. In today's session, we are going to go ahead and expose the entity into the build apps. So we can utilize the SAP build apps to be able to consume the component into the front end and display Anubhav Trainings courses data in the mobile application. If you like my work in this video series, please like, share and subscribe the video and also share the video series with your fellow colleagues in the WhatsApp group. We will perform the binding now. So let's click on repeat with, and I will now use our data coming from Anubhav Trainings courses table from the cloud function. So we will refer to our data variable. Oops, I don't have the data variable created. Let me go back and do that. So I create a data variable for courses and then just going to bind that with the list control like we've been doing before. So I click on data variable, bind it, perfect. Let's bind the title with the item in repeat and the course name. Then we bind the description, item in repeat with the description. And then we bind also the image rather than hard coding. So you cannot bind image directly with the link. So you have to use formula. And here we have to put the repeated dot current dot image. Save. Now let's look at binding the headline to show the cost of the training. So to be able to do that, we are going to go back to the again modification of the control, and there inside that we see the headline. Let's bind that with the formula where we say the cost is concatenate repeated dot current dot price of the course, cost of the training. Here it is. And then we will put dollars. Perfect. So that we have added over there when it comes to the cost of the training. I come back, open the web app preview and go to Anubhav Trainings web page. It starts our mobile application. Beautiful. You see auto adapting itself. We can start our application now. And Wahala, all the Anubhav training courses are visible to you. Superb. Nice. Fabulous. I will pick up a course and Wahala, look at the details of that course. 36-hour duration, trainer name, detail of the training, rating, and of course the slider, which we supposed to do in the next episode. Rest of the things. Back button is also working fine. So this is how exactly we can design and develop a beautiful end-to-end course management application for Anubhav Trainings. Is just the beginning. There's a lot to come. With that, thank you so much for your time being today here. I'll see you in the next episode and I will share as usual the source code along with the backend project also with all of you in the material. Thank you for joining the time. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, happy building and goodbye.